All right, joining us for more on this game, our correspondent Nitin Srivastav live from Chennai. Nitin, it was a must-win game for the Indian team. I can see a lot of fans there in the blue of India. They must be ecstatic.
Well, absolutely. And, it was for me better late than never. This is what everyone wanted. A good start from the openers and the consistency from, each and every batters in this game. And especially in Chepauk, everybody wanted to see Sanju Samson scoring runs. But, he contributed. But along with Sanju Samson, Abhishek Sharma, he is the only man which we wanted to see him scoring runs, and as you can see, each and everyone is cheering for Sanju. But this right and left formula, do you think it's actually worked out for India at this stadium?
Definitely. In all stadiums actually, because many of the people are, almost seven batsmen are left-handers right now, and only one or two are the right-hand batsmen. So we require a right-hand batsman for a consistency. So that's one, because to everybody from the left hand, then definitely there will not be any, there will not be any joy in watching the game actually.
Absolutely. The way Abhishek scored runs today, he was under scanner that he's not scoring runs, he's getting ducks. But today was his day. And do you think that it is the absolutely right time, for Abhishek Sharma to get good runs and to contribute for Team India?
Definitely, we hope it will be a good start actually for him. And जो जीत हम देखने आए थे, वो तो हमको मिल गया. And we definitely deserved a very winning position in ICC.
How about Team India's overall performances? Because we have seen Team India struggling in the league stages. They lost very first match of Super 8 against South Africa, but now against West Indies, it is going to be a virtual knockout. How about your comment?
See, as Indian cricket fans, it's really a happy day for us. It was truly an amazing comeback victory for India. We have literally outperformed Zimbabwean team in all the departments, whether it is batting, fielding or bowling. And the pitch was also favorable to us, the conditions were favorable to us. And we were able to make benefit of the conditions to the utmost thing. And, the next match with West Indies, we are sure that Indian team will outperform and win the match. And we will, if we continue this winning streak and the momentum, definitely we will be able to lift the cup.
Well, absolutely, and we will be able to defend the cup actually. So do you think, sir, that Team India is now back in action, and that is what the sir is saying, we will be able to defend our trophy? Is that going to happen?
Yeah, definitely. India will win the World Cup and we will lift the World Cup. Only expectation was some more net run rate in this victory, but the pitch like Chepauk is for the batting paradise. So definitely all the batters are done well. So that is only thing which we missed. But definitely we will win with higher run rate in against West Indies, and definitely we will see in the final.
So are you guys happy now?
We are super happy. We are super happy.
Happy now? Okay.
Sanju, India.
जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा.
We want Sanju more matches to give experience and to come up in the coming matches.
He will definitely fire and make Indian team win. Yeah.
India World Cup जीतेगा. Come on India.
Okay,
So,
Nitin, thank you so much.
कोलकाता में वेस्ट इंडीज हार गए.
Okay.
Thank you so much for that, Nitin. The updates that Nitin is bringing us from Chennai. So nice to see happy, smiling faces when it comes to Indian fans, because that really wasn't the case a few days ago when India lost to South Africa in Ahmedabad. But things have really changed when it comes to this game in Chennai.